Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Todoist's Quick Add feature efficiently. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get into it. Firstly, you want to open Todoist and locate the Quick Add button. It's typically found at the top right corner of your screen. The Quick Add feature is designed to help you swiftly add tasks without sifting through multiple screens. Now that you've located the Quick Add button, click on it. A small box will pop up. This is where you can type in your task. The reason we use this is to speed up task entry. It's a time saver, especially for those busy days when you don't have time to spare. Next up, type in your task. For instance, buy milk at 5 p.m. Now here's the cool part. Todoist's Quick Add feature is smart. It automatically recognizes the time 5 p.m. and sets a reminder for you. This helps us because it takes the guesswork and manual input out of setting reminders. Let me explain why this matters. With the Quick Add feature, you can also add priorities and labels to your tasks. For example, typing buy milk at 5 p.m. P1 grocery will set the task priority to 1 and label it under grocery. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is simplifying your task management process. Lastly, just hit enter and your task is added. Simple, right? That's the beauty of Todoist's Quick Add feature. It's not just about adding tasks, it's about managing them efficiently. And there you have it. That's how you use Todoist's Quick Add feature. Remember, it's all about efficiency, and Todoist certainly delivers on that front. Thank you for tuning in, and stay organized.